Got to remember for the rest of the day, don't smoke out here, because we got ourselves a pretty nice fuel leak. But I think it's coming from the output on the fuel pump, so we're going to change that real quick. At least I hope it is. Okay, change of plans here. Side pipes for the van are all done. However, they are not going to be going on the van. I actually mocked them up on this car and they look really good. Now I do have some clearance issues. As you can see, after I had them all together, I took this apart and turned it so this faces straight out. Otherwise, we'd have the crop duster effect with it blowing straight down. No fun. Did take the rocker trim off. I do have one mounting hole right there where that'll slide through, but I got some fitment issues here, so I got to clear that out. And if you can see, I'm not sure how well you can, yeah, that fits right into there, but it doesn't allow the back to really drop down. So I'm just gonna clear it out a little bit, you know, raise them up. I want to get them as close to this as possible, and that's not really doing it right now. I'd like to go up maybe another ½ an inch, because the pipes, they're somewhat straight, but once this goes up a little more, and I can just make this hole an oval. I do have brackets. The fronts are made, the back, obviously it's gonna have to be a 90, no big deal. So we're gonna cut this out and see where we end up. Okay, we're pretty well mocked up. I think that's right around where we're gonna be. She looks pretty level with the car. I think before I'm gonna mount the brackets first. As you can see, I got the front bracket already made. I'm just gonna self-tap it into place. Get both brackets self-tapped, then I'll go back on the back side and weld them. You can see that little notch, that kind of sucked. I was using the little stupid air saw, but it got through after a little bit of time. And I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna put the trim piece back on here also before I actually mount the pipes. So I'm gonna try to sneak under the car and get this bracket mounted and see where we end up. Okay, back on the install the side pipes. So to show you what's going on, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see. Got the mufflers here. We got this flex pipe right here, and we got the collector coming down there. So I'm thinking about throwing a 45 into there. I got a U. I don't know how well you're gonna see this. That's gonna go somewhere around here. Looks like I'll have pretty much a straight run right into the pipe. I'm gonna put one of these little flexible thingies in here, and yeah, this looks pretty straightforward. So I am going to attempt to get this out. Been working on it for about 5 minutes, and work on it for another 5. All right, so here we are, a little later on in the day. As you can see, I kept the factory exhaust. This is where I started with my U. Goes up, cuts around, goes into the side pipe. So I think in the meantime, I'm gonna keep the existing mufflers on here. It's gonna clamp them up a little better. I mean, there's a hanger right in the back, so these aren't gonna go anywhere, but you know, they do move. And I'm not sure how hard it's gonna be to pull the pipe out without cutting it. I would like to keep the exhaust there just in case I don't like the side pipes, or in case I decide I sell the car, I want to take them off. So this is easy enough to connect. As you can see, there was flex here. That wasn't me. Came with flex. I do have brand new flex in case I want to reconnect those, but in the meantime, this side sort of I'm gonna weld here and then just leave these 2 clamps, and I'm gonna clamp the front also. So I'll have 3 clamps. That way, if I need to take it off, all I gotta do is just whack this and it'll slide out from here and here. Works for me. All right, new day, new haircut. Well, thanks to genetics, I really only have to do the sides. But regardless, getting back on this. I was up last night till about 10 minutes to 12. Got the side pipes all finished up. I did keep the stock exhaust on here. I have it all bracketed up underneath. So you can see, still got the stock tips there. There's a good chance that somewhere down the road, I'm probably going to put electronic cutoffs on this. So that'll be nice and easy to do. You know, hardest part is really just getting this car up in the air since I don't have a lift. So I have not heard this thing run yet. So pretty excited. We're going to roll her out of the garage, start her up. Okay, so here we are. First official test fire. Hopefully it's good. You know, it's not even that loud. Sounds like it has a cam. Sure, I'm gonna burn my leg on it, but hey, once I get the exhaust cut off, we'll all be good. So yeah, I think that's pretty much gonna do it for this car. I mean, I had a little vision. I wanted the, you know, upgrade the stereo, put the single hoop in, put the stripes on, put the side pipes on, get them all hooked up. So, probably time to take this thing and go park it in my mom's garage. Now we're going to move down there. We're going to start working on free candy. So thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and tell your friends. Forgot to mention, in case you're wondering why there's no windshield on the Bronco, well, we had the test drive from hell yesterday, so you'll have to check that out in another video.